The iPhone Ultra is coming this fall after years of leaks and rumors, and the excitement has never been higher. Apple's first foldable phone has already appeared in alleged real-world footage. Its specs have been widely leaked across the internet, and at this point, we feel like we already know almost everything about the new Ultra. But the latest information shifts attention to one breakthrough Apple has been quietly working on for 15 years, and it may finally land inside the hinge of the iPhone Ultra. The latest leak comes from Chinese tipster Fixed Focus Digital and strongly suggests that Apple will use liquid metal in the foldable hinge. The post, translated from Chinese, is being seen as a near confirmation. Earlier leaks from industry insider Ming-Chi Kuo also pointed toward liquid metal alloy being used in the hinge of Apple's foldable iPhone, but this new claim takes it a step further by calling it confirmed. According to Fixed Focus Digital, prototypes have already been sent to carriers and partners, meaning the leaked iPhone Ultra images could actually be real. This isn't the first time liquid metal has been linked to Apple's foldable iPhone. The earliest mention goes back to 2010, when Apple licensed the technology and filed patents with inventors Atticon Peaker and Bill Johnson. The material was developed at the California Institute of Technology, and Apple currently uses it in SIM ejector tools. The partnership between Apple and Liquid Metal Technologies was renewed in 2015 and remains active today. Liquid metal is a group of advanced amorphous alloys with high strength, strong corrosion resistance, excellent elasticity, and anti-wear properties. Despite the name, it is not liquid at room temperature and can be heat-formed like plastic. It has already been used in golf clubs, watches, and other durable equipment. Apple is reportedly preparing to launch its first ever folding phone alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup in September 2026. Although the company is keeping everything tightly under wraps, excitement is rising fast as new leaks continue to surface, including a recently shared video of a dummy model. This isn't the first iPhone Ultra dummy we've seen, but this latest version looks more refined and closer to a real prototype compared to earlier mock-ups like the one shown by Unbox Therapy. The video, shared Majin Buu on X, reveals a short, wide foldable design that matches earlier leaks. However, the source of this model is still unknown, and it may simply be based on leaked concepts. Unlike older basic mock-ups that looked like simple this new dummy appears more advanced, with sections that resemble display panels. In the footage, the phone is slightly hard to open with one hand, and once unfolded, it looks very flexible, suggesting the hinge is still far from Apple's final version. The screen crease also looks quite visible, likely because it's just a placeholder layer instead of a real display. Still, it offers a clearer idea of Apple's direction. We can also see the USB-C port, buttons, speakers, and a large rear camera bump. Even with a dual lens setup, the camera housing is expected to make it thicker than any previous iPhone. As these dummy units spread, case makers are already jumping in with early designs, increasing the hype even more. But the big question is, what real purpose will this device serve? While flip phones are popular for their compact feel, larger foldables often struggle to justify their use beyond a bigger screen for multitasking. Still, one thing is clear: the leaks are just getting started, and Apple's foldable journey is becoming one of the biggest tech stories of 2026. Apple's very first foldable iPhone is already creating massive excitement across the tech world, and accessory makers are racing to prepare for its highly anticipated debut. Long before Apple officially unveils a device, case manufacturers quietly begin designing accessories using leaked CAD renders and prototype dummy units. In this ultra-competitive industry, timing and accuracy mean everything. Earlier this year, famous Apple leaker Sonny Dixon shared foldable iPhone dummy units online.